Hi, I'm Julian Stanitzke, and this is my take on the Capstone project for the Udacity Nano Degree Machine Learning Engineer with Azure ML. The task was to find an external data set and to run a hyperparameter run and an AutoML experiment, take the best scoring model, and then deploy it to web service. As you can see, I took a data set here that was compiled by Joe Young and originally hosted on Kaggle.com, which I downloaded and uploaded it to my personal GitHub account. The data set has 10 years worth of meteorological data from different places in Australia, including the info if it rained that day and if it rained the day after. And this project aims to deploy a web service that can predict if it will rain tomorrow in Australia if given a specific set of weather parameters. So here's an overview over the models. As you can see, the AutoML model scored better than the Hyperdrive models, so I deployed the AutoML model. Here are the specifications. Best model was a stack ensemble. So after having it run and fitted the best model, I deployed it to a web service that you can see here as healthy. I can show it here. There is the web service container instance ACI, and its deployment state is healthy. So after deployment, I took my data frame and took a test sample of 10 random rows and fed them to the endpoint. And as you can see, here is the response that I got. It's 10 outputs and it shows also true, so there should be no problem with it. And after having run everything, I deleted the service. So that's it. Thank you.